Alright, I caught my first chub of the day right here. Just feeding off the worms. See if we got any more luck. Alright, second fish of the day. They're sure biting right out there in that open place over there. See how the rest of the day. Okay, I threw this in 2 seconds after I made the video and caught this fish in less than 5 seconds. So it's a pretty good spot out here today. I wish more people could be here to fish with me, but I guess that's how it works, right? Alright, got another good one. It's a decent sized one. Hopefully they keep on getting bigger by the day goes. Come on, take it. There he goes. Nope, didn't catch it. Got another small one. Just keep on adding up. Got a nice, decent sized one here. Just another one to the collection. Just let him tire himself out, you know. Strong little guy. Going to the deepest part down there. It's about 3.5 to 4 foot deep. Guess that's where the big ones hide anyway, so show me where they hide. Yeah, I think it's time to let them out. Okay, check this out. I'm gonna cast in right out there and see. Let's look what happens. Oh, bad cast, but it'll still work. Already after it. Move it out to the middle a little. Let them chase it a little bit. Yeah, the worm is pretty much gone at this point, but they still like the little chunks. Let's see if we can catch any right down here. A lot of mosquitoes out here right now. Right at the beginning of summer is worst times for still getting used to it. Let's see what it does in the middle. There's not very many fish that lurk around here, but it's more out in that open place. That big gap, which isn't as deep, but they have a lot over there, so that's where the hungry ones live. Here's a nice little fatty. Yeah. That's why they're called chubs anyways, right?